you are going to miss this African mist. When it is in your room, you can just place it in your room to absorb negativity. It's a very powerful tool that people don't know. Water, you are going to welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to teach you how to open job opportunities, employment opportunities for yourself using simple natural remedy. Open opportunity for yourself. There are people, they submit their CV upon CV, they qualify for the job, but they throw their application away. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment if you don't understand anything. Just subscribe if you are new to the channel, like the video, and then share to your friends. Do you know this fruit? It is called precursor gabanum. Yes, gabanum. We are going to get this precursor, and then we are going to cut. We are going to get 7 pieces of this fruit. This precursor, you are going to get 7. Once you get 7, we are going to cut each into 7 pieces. Cut each into 7 pieces. Once you cut each into 7 pieces, we are going to soak it in water. We are going to soak it in water. Once you soak it in water, we are going to charge the solution with this. This is aruna. It's a cologne, a perfume that we are going to add to this. You are going to, once you make the mixture, you have to make it in a big container in such a way that you can fetch the water to bath for 3 days. Yes, so you can measure 6 buckets of water into a big container. The first bucket is first day morning. The second bucket is first day evening. The third bucket is second day morning. The fourth bucket second day evening, in that order. So you are going to get this cologne, that is aruna. So the aruna, you have the small bottle, you have the medium bottle, and you have the big bottle. This one is the big bottle. So when you have the small bottle, you can put all the bottle, like pour all the content into your solution. If you have the medium bottle, you can divide it into 3 and pour 2 into it. If you have this, you can divide it into 2 and pour half into it. So once you pour it into it, we are going to let it stand for 24 hours. For once the 24 hours is over, we are going to use it to bath. But when you are bathing, I want you to bath on a special leaf. Do you know plantain leaf? Plantain leaf. The reason why you are bathing on a plantain leaf is once you have that energy bath downwards, you are going to wrap that energy. Plantain leaf is a kind of leaf that you use to absorb negativity, especially when it is in your room. You can just place it in your room to absorb negativity. It's a very powerful tool that people don't know. So plantain leaf, even sitting on plantain leaf to pray, is a very special energy or environment to create for yourself to pray. So plantain leaf is a very powerful and a special leaf that you use to absorb negative energy. So you stand on a plantain leaf and you bath. Once you bath, you are going to grab the plantain leaf, not with your hand, but you are going to wear a gloves, or you have to wear something that your hand will not touch it directly. So, or you can use broom or to sweep, anything that can help you to correct so that your hand doesn't touch it directly is recommended. So you are going to bath on the plantain leaf. Once you are done, you are going to collect that plantain leaf and bury it. You are going to bury it because it has absorbed that energy. It has absorbed that negative energy that makes people throw away your employment letter, or what, your CV, or this application letter. They throw it away. It's going to absorb. So we are going to charge this cologne. Make sure if you can't bath your head, like the ladies who can't use a sponge to bath on their hair, We are going to use the water to wash your face. Make sure you use some of the water to wash. Some of your water touches your head part, the part of your head touches it, because some of the ladies, when they bath, water doesn't touch their head. So make sure water touches the head. Wash especially your face. Wash your face with some of the solution. Make sure, I repeat, some of the water touches your face. Bath down, carry the mystery on the plantain leaf, bury it. So you bath for the 3 days. Once the 3 days is done, the next leaf I'm going to show you is the basil leaf. That is the African basil leaf. Some people call it scent leaf, but it's not scent leaf. With this one, you have scent leaf and you have the basil leaf. So we are going to use the African basil leaf to rub. This is how we are going to do it. Let me show you. You are going to rub it like this. Once you rub it like this, the scent is so cool. You are going to pour some of the cologne. I'm going to pour some of the cologne and then pour it on it, and then rub it again. Once you rub it, you get liquid content out from it, and then you are going to rub it over your face like this. You're going to rub it over your face like this, as I'm doing. That's how you're going to rub it over your face. Over your face, you bring glory to your face. You remove any marks the devil have placed on your face. That's why when you apply any employment, it is being rejected, or though you qualify for the job, but you are not called. You just rub it over your face, and yes. So that is it. Please, plants are very powerful. If you don't believe, it works. If you believe, it works. We are not doing religious things here. We are teaching what is natural. I repeat, we are teaching what is natural. If you are not in line with me, or if you don't agree with me, you can agree with what you believe, but we are teaching what is natural. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, forward the video, because the more I teach and the more I see people liking that video, I see that subject is more interested to people. Therefore, I go on to explain more, to teach more. Yes, but if the view is small but the like is very few, I see that people are not interested, though they view but they don't like the video. Yes, subscribe so that when I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified, so that you can watch the next video. I'm going to upload next video to this channel, and then it is very amazing. Don't miss it out. So subscribe so that when I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking the video. See you in the next video.